Good evening. We will discuss about Savitri Veda Max for Modern Life. Today we will discuss something about mathematical sequence in Vedic hymen. Okay, since Shivaratri comes, it's a glorification of Shiva. But in the hymen there are appearance of odd numbers and even numbers. We want to see it. Okay, the mystery in the wish list to Shiva. In Sri Rudram, the 11th Anuvakyam in Chamakam is riddled with mystery. There is an intriguing portion in the popular Vedic hymen, Sri Rudram, considered one of the 108 Upanishads. Sri Rudram is made up of two hymens called Namakam and Chamakam. In the Namakam hymen, every word begins with Nama or salutation, while in the Chamakam hymen, every word contains the phrase Chami, meaning unme. The Namakam enumerates the various epithets and names of the Parabrahman, worshipped as Shiva or Rudra. It prays that the Supreme Force is immortal, infinite, and it is cause of the earth and heaven, space and time. It acknowledges the presence of the energy of superpower in all walks of life, while recognizing the violent aspect of Rudra. The hymen requires Shiva to be benevolent and peaceful, rather than destructive and punishing. Containing the holiest Panchakshara mantra, Sri Rudram is considered a remedy for all sins in humans. Those who regularly recite the Sri Rudram hymen with devotion know how it introduces inexplicable new energies into our body. The other part of Samakam is a total of 11 sections, known as Anuvakyam, furnishes completely the ideal of human happiness. It defines the human desires and seeks their fulfillment, from food and other material requirements to the highest of spiritual goals. It contains a catalogue of 347 benedictions and seeks to be bestowed by the Supreme Power to the person who recites or listens to it. So the 11th Anuvakya. There is a great deal of mysticism about the final 11th Anuvakya in the Chamakam, which narrates a long list of benedictions in the form of odd and even number. The present chanting praise, may the power associated with these integers manifest in me. The Anuvakyam first lists the odd numbers, starting with 1, 3, 5, 7, goes on till 33. Then it lists the even numbers in multiples of 4, starting from 4, 8, 12, 16 and goes on till 48. This sequencing of numbers is followed by a brief prayer for food, its protection, the sacrifice that precipitate rains, the sun that transforms the sacrificial offering into rain clouds, and finally salutation to the infinite being that pervades everything at all times. There are several interpretations about what these numbers stand for, and the mystical aspect of divinity that these integers signify. Apart from philosophers and Vedic pundits, scientists and cosmologists have strived to interpret these numbers, and all of them have come up with fascinating conclusions. Tesla numbers. One such interesting interpretation is that these numbers finally point to the mystical Tesla numbers. The reference is to Nikola Tesla, an Austrian-American engineer of the 19th century, famous for inventing the alternating current electric motors and several other inventions in the electric industry. Tesla was fascinated by the Vedic wisdom, and he has used the ancient Sanskrit terminology in his description of natural phenomena. Back in the year 1891, he described the universe as a kinetic system filled with energy, unlike a static force, and that this energy could be actioned at any location. It is noteworthy that he had invented the wireless system. Tesla has used the Sanskrit word Akasha and Prana, and the concept of a luminiferous is to describe the source, existence, and construction of every matter in the universe. Here is a description of the Tesla number in relation to the Chamakam Anuvakyam, and a brief mathematical exercise for the reader. As mentioned above, the 11th Anuvakyam lists odd numbers starting from 1 to an even number starting from 4. Now add these pairs of numbers and make a single digit. For example, add the first number 1 in the odd list and 4 in the even list. You get uh, 5. Now add 1 to this, you get 6. Okay, we will do the section. Okay, likewise add the second number in 3 in the odd list to the second number 8 in the even list. You get 11 and make it a single digit. 1 plus 1, 2. Now add 1 to this, 3. This sequence is presented in a form of column. Okay, odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, it goes like that. And even number 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay, now add the pairs. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 actually digital good. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So, okay, next 5, 12. Okay, 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, this is so. Now what will happen? Now we note that 639 repeatedly as the final number, which Tesla said are the universal vibration numbers. And note that there is another sequence 528 that repeats itself in the above under the add. And if you take this sequence, you get 5 to 5, 2, 8 again. And subtract 1 from each number, you get 4, 1, 7. So thus we come up with 3 repetitive sequences: 5, 2, 8, 4, 1, 7 and 6, 3, 9. It is fascinating that these sequences are reflected in many natural phenomena, in sound vibration and musical notes. Scientists have termed them as Salafekia frequencies. The term refers to specific tones of sound that affect the conscious unconscious mind in order to simulate healing and promote vitality. Scientists have now proved that in terms of tonal experience, the solfeggio frequencies ranging from 174 Hz to 9638 offer unique sound patterns that promote relaxation, stress relief, overall well-being. These frequencies have been shown to positively impact mental, emotional, physical health by generating vibrations that help achieve a state of calm and balance. This is the reason that Sri Ruddram in general, including Chamakam, has a unique ability to calm the mind and promote overall well-being. It's an eye-opener that Vedas can be more of a relation of science than spiritually for lay people. This is written by Acharya Dasa. Thank you.